man for dreams or the man who can make your dreams come true. Depende. People really different, but it just gives a people a view of love, you know, of how you should take love. And yeah, and that's up to the people, but at least they can see both sides to it. And thank you.
Next question. Ayan, ang bongga-bongga. Ready na siya kanina pa direct.
The Richard from Manual to Life. Ito naman, kay Direk. Was it coincidental na some of the scenes are actually look quite familiar with the previous movies of Lisken? Katulad yung nasa fountain scene. Similar din, although hindi same yung script. Pero may mga naalala kami, nakita namin sa gantong previous movie nila. Tapos yung kay Enrique na nagkukuha ng picture, like yung sa naalala namin yung She's the One, ni Bea. So, was it intentional or was it parang talagang yun?
Well, there are some na intentional. Like, the one dun sa video, and the line na She's the One. Meron lang talagang reference to it. Because of course, you know, it's just parang a reference to the film which started the Lisken. So parang parang yun, play lang siya on the word and the element. Dun sa, yung I love you, I love you, I love you.
Ay, sorry. Hindi talaga ako gumagano. Sabi ko siya, hirap na hirap ako dun eh. Sorry.
So yun hindi naman. Meron talaga siguro kasi di ba sa dami naman ng, we know na parang they joke na nga about it, that this is the golden age of rom-com. Parang, parang sobrang dami ng love stories. Meron talagang mga scenes na nagkakapare-pareho. Pero, the intention is different. And of course, kung ano yung context ng eksena, nagkakaiba. Yun. Pero meron pa rin mga iba na you watch out for na lang, na we added also na, of course, may reference to Lisken. So, yun.
Last question ko na lang. In terms of, kasi ang unang pairing is Gerald and Liza. So, kasi of course, people know them as Lisken agad. So, they have to first create a chemistry for them first, or break the Lisken chemistry, and then introduce Enrique into the story. So, to make the story much more interesting, and also yung parang hindi agad na alam ka Lisken na agad yung ganun, yung makatuluyan.
Hindi talaga yung sa in terms of yung kumbaga parang order of presenting them. Well, one, I can't really tell much about the order because of course that's already yung story. But I think importantly, strengthening the characters and strengthening the backstory or the relationships of the relationship of Gerald and Liza in the film, for it to be syempre kailangan maging strong magkaroon ng strong foundation yun, kasi otherwise parang ba't pa natin kinuha si Gerald para maging kalaban ni Ken dito sa movie. The story of Tristan and Audrey is, actually, ang hirap ng tibagin. Yun na yung problema, sobrang strong. And there's a natural chemistry din kay Gerald and kay Liza. So, it helped na meron silang chemistry. And then given pa the story nila, yung love story nila dito is very strong. Ang kailangan ng i-strengthen is how Ethan can get in the way. Because ang strong masyado ng nilang bond.
Meron pa? Ako may question lang ako kasi yun yung pinag-usapan. Direct, posible po ba na sa movie na ito, ang magkatuluyan yung si Gerald and Liza?
Secret! Ang magkakatuluyan ay si Gerald at Enrique.
Ay!
Spoiler! Delete nyo! Wala mag-tweet!
Ay, secret natin lagi.
Malas naman hindi nakapunta. Alam mo yung live tayo sa Periscope. Jerryke, ayan. Meron tayong next question, lalo na sa push.com.
Direct, first question ko po, kasi di ba po first movie na nakita namin ng Lisken talaga is She's the One. Kayo din po yun. So, paano na po ba yung, may pagbabago na ba yung